And this.
Happy birthday!
Dahil bulaloan to, bulalo.
Ma'am, inform ko lang kayo na 2 days na po kami order ng emotion namin sa bulalo na espatan. Bulalo sa ano. So, karoon ng shortage po sa ano. Bulalo.
Pansit.
It's pansit daw po. Beef and or chicken.
Mga guys, with Mamars and Papar. Gano'n kayo, gano'n ha? Angat. Ayun, kabilang kamay. Plastic man to, ayaw mo gano'n, oy. Kiss! Ha? Kain po! Dito sa Bulalohan. Kain guys, kain po. Sarap. Sarap. You're a sweet, strawberry wine. You're as warm, warm as the glass of brandy. I've looked for love in all the simple places. Found the body always right. There's nothing like a love to get me high.
Cheers guys, cheers. Right.
Well, I guess it was wrong. I just don't belong. And then I've been looking for everything is alright. Just to say goodnight and I'll show myself.
The best. The best lahat ng food. Ang sarap. Lalakas ako sa kanin.
Just give me an hour and then because that I'm already tired. Took over the reason I get in the low place where whiskey's rock and the beer of James are blues away. And I'll be okay. I'm not here in the social grace. This is on down to the old ways. Oh, I'm a friend in the low places. I got a friend in the low place. The whiskey's round and the beer of kings are blues away. And I'll be okay. I'm not a good in the souls and grace. It gives me on down to the
What?
I see you always need some other time. And all the words were just falling out. I want to hear
Tagangan. What? May-ari ka makanta. Thank you very much. Uy, wait, nasunod lang. What? Thank you very much.
Sana makatugtugin na rito.
Ah.
Ano ba yung number nun?
Again. Ay, ikaw pala yan, mama.
The wind and the rain
Pasok. A love song.
Ayoko, next na.
Tamas, yung ilong mo, malaki butas. Diba? Naglabrip po, lalabrip. Ayan na. Will always be with you when the others have gone away. Let's still be there.
Look into your eyes, you could not ask for more.
Hold that, hold that. Hold that, hold that.
If I ever fall in love again, sometimes when it's cold and hard to bear, no, it's gonna be the one who hold me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again.
So those who are in love tonight, isn't scared to fly. It's such a long way down here. If you trusted me, I'm sure I'll come around.
When you hurt, it's hard to let someone inside. In your arms, I feel I'm ready now to try. Whoa, so if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when the broken heart you mend, no, it's gonna be the one who pulled me through, so I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again,
Be a fool to ever let you go.
you're the best things in my life. When I know I gotta make it slow. Dito kami sa Bulalohan.
May panahing walang dangal na naman, guys. Ayan. Kaya ka pala payat? Dalawa pala yung...
May time kayo mag-church tayo.
Kaya
Kaya ako sabi mo,
Ayan.
confident.
Sorry, confident.
Ayan guys.
Tikman niyo. Para ano?
Hindi na alam kung ako.
Ayan, merienda guys. Siomay.
Isa, hindi pa kumain.
Banana cute. Tsaka ube. At ng ube. Ayan o. Ang dami nilang dalang merienda guys. Guys, thank you ha. Naalala nyo kami dalang merienda.
Thank you.
Thank you din sa ano, abay. Pag hindi ka nakabayad.
Shout out. Blaze Band.
May bawas yan konti sa supplier.
Percent.
Tcharan. 1, 2. Ay, video pala. Game. 1, 2. Right. Thank you. Thank you po sa pagbisita.
But if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, no, it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again. May pants, may pants.
It's such a long way down, and yeah, if it just unsure I'm coming around.
And I know when your heart is hard to let someone inside.
Thank you very much.
In your arms, I feel I'm ready now to try. Oh.
Love again. Sometimes when this broken heart can mend,
I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again,
I'd be fool to ever let you go. You're the best thing in my life.
well, I know I gotta take it slow. Thank you very much.
Ayan.
It's gonna be you're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, if I ever fall in love again.
Thank you very much.
Good luck.
I'm in control, a lady with a plan. Believing that life is a little package you're holding my hand.
Parang hindi yung sumisigaw ah.
I got it together. They call me the girl who knows just what to say and do. Still I fumble and fall, run into the wall. 'Cause when it comes to you, just another woman in love. Kid out of school, fire of control, just another fool. Teach me and I'm weak, I'm a veteran to me. And I can't wait to feel you touching me again. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love.
Tagalog version. Napadaan sa sabungan, may nagsisigawan.
That's one thing you look, one look at your face is driving me mad. I'm just what you make me, can't wait till you take me and set all my feelings free. I know that you can, so come be my man. Tonight I wanna be just another woman in love. Get out of school, fire of control. Just another fool. Touch me and I'm weak, I'm a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. Baby, I'm just another woman, just another woman now. Just another woman in love. Get out of school, fire of control. Just another fool. Touch me and I'm weak, I'm better in the wind. Can't wait to feel you.
Thank you very much. Ooh, ha!
Such a feeling's gone over me. There is wonder most in everything I see. That a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be, it's not coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world again, down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. You're lost with me at the top of the world.
I don't know. Ooh, ha! Something in the wind just learned my name, and it's telling me that things are not the same. And the leaves on the breeze and the touch of the breeze, there's a pleasing sense of happiness for me. Thank you.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes
sa Bulalohan, dami tao. Bumalik ang dating sigla ng Bulalohan. Food menu.
From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Lobby tayo, lobby.
Lobby with Mama La.
Yung link niya, dapat ipadala ulit. Kasi kailan pa ba yan?
Ngayon lang, kanina. Tagal na kasi kanina. Ang tagal namin nag-usap.
Papa Labs TV Official. Subscribe and click the bell.